How to create this op art design in Affinity Photo. What you need to do is copy this equation into the procedural texture field, this equations field. Also set up some custom inputs and simply change the settings, and a variety of different designs can be created. Once you're happy with the design, click apply. Now the equation you can find in the description. Please check out the description. Let's just go to how to create it in the first place. Filters, and then to colours and procedural texture. You need to go there. Click that. And you need a layer. You need a layer that's got something in. So layer, a new layer or an image. And edit and fill. So once you've done that, click here, plus. Simply paste that equation in. Again, it's in the description, so you don't have to try and work it out or follow it from the screen. Go here. Instead of just R, which is the red channel, go for green and blue. So set those up. And again, you just got that. And what you got down here, you can set up a Z. So 3 of those, 3 clicks to custom inputs, and just set the value. And now 10, 6 and 5, and you've got that. But of course what you can also do is you can change these, and you can change these settings and increase or decrease them to create a variety of different designs. You can also modify this design, this equation as well, and click apply. You can also save it to the presets. So click apply. Now if you want to colour it, really quick way of doing that, simply just go over here and select the rectangle tool and drag over here, and you've got this design on top of it, this layer. And then you go to the fill and you can change the colour to say blue. Then go to the blending mode, select this rectangle, go down here and darken, multiply, colour burn, colour dodge, screen, soft light, hard light, etc. And you can see now you've got this design. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. Thank you much.